Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can bring this search bar of Safari back to top if you have upgraded to iOS 15 on your iPhone. So this is quite irritating when it's at the bottom, so let's begin the video. So here I have my iPhone which has iOS 15 running on it. If I go and open Safari, you can see that the search bar is now at bottom instead of the top in which we usually have. So if you want to change tabs, you can just simply press on it and you can go left and right, and if you want to see all the tabs you can go like this. But if you want to go into the same old mode, it's really simple. All you need to do is to open the settings of your iPhone. You need to go down to the apps where it's going to say Safari. So Safari should be around here. Here you can see Safari. We're going to open Safari. You need to go down and here you can see the option top bar or single tab. We're just simply going to press on single tab, and now it's going to bring the old format back for Safari, and the search bar should be at the top. So now you can see I have selected and the search bar is back to top as we are familiar with it, and all the things are back to normal as they were before the iOS 15. So this is the simplest way on how you can bring the search bar back to top on Safari. If you guys like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any kind of questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching and stay safe.